Hey everyone, welcome to Brad and Track. I'm Bharadwaj and you can call me Brad. So I'm super excited to finally start this channel. It's been a long time coming, guys. So if you're new here, I think you might probably are because this is literally the first video that we're shooting, and I can say that you are in the right place. So all right, let me just brag a little about us. Me and Pradyumna, Brad, we're just two techies freshly out of college who love coding and explaining it in a very simple and sleek manner. No jargons at all. Let me just tell you why we started this channel. Probably do you remember those coding tutorials in which they type at lightning fast speed and you let's say you even zone out for 1 second and you were like, what? What the hell is even happening? I'm pretty sure that you people have faced those issues a lot of times. Personally, I've been through that phase many times. And also, let's say there is a 2 hour coding tutorial on Python or Java or any other language. You just say, "Hello, I'm going to do it." And you sit before the video. And by the end, you're like, "Nope, I'm going to quit this shit." Being there, bro, that feels relatable, right? So let me just clear it up, you guys. We are here to make learning code actually fun, not frustrating, not overhyping stuff. It's just like a clean explanation of each and everything that is running in your textbooks. So we are like your last minute friends who just explain you each and every concept in a very detailed manner. So let me just tell you guys the plan. So we would be dropping 4 videos every week, 5 p.m., alternate days. If you are a person like, okay, I'll start it tomorrow, then this is a reminder to you that you should start it today. And let's start it from scratch. Let's grow together. But one thing, how would you guys know whether I put a video or not? Just hit that like and subscribe button so that you can get notified with my videos instantly. All right, agenda time. So guys, today is the day one of our Python for Beginner series. This would be continuing as a playlist. This is not another print hello world series. We are going to deal with in-depth concepts in Python. Each and every concept, why we write like that, why are things happening like that, how to simplify things, how to look at things. So if you are like hopping on YouTube videos or related to Python, okay, I've done that too, but this is the playlist that you're going to actually finish. Okay, let me just tell you why I started learning Python. So initially, I just learned Python just for my college labs. That's it. That's it. Who learns stuff? But then I was okay with those syntaxes and all. But then I was like, I just realized how easy to automate stuff with Python. I started off automating boring stuff in my life with Python. I just did a voice bot, literally, guys, without any machine learning, without any deep learning. I created a voice to voice application in Python when I was just learning Python because I realized the potential of Python. It is not merely a subject, it is a superpower. Unlocking the power of the language lies in your hands. And how to do it? I will teach you. And that's exactly how we learn a subject or a language by building, by exploring. So that's how exactly I learned, and that's how exactly I'm going to be teaching you guys. One word about this playlist. This playlist is not just a bunch of videos, it's a journey. We will learn, we will code, and we will do projects that you're actually proud of. Okay, not just with calculator applications, quiz applications, snake water gun, not that. We will be building that voice bot that I spoke about earlier, and also automation systems. I've just automated a task in my college, which took 2 to 3 days for the college faculty to do, and that task got shrink down to just 1 minute. Literally, guys, 1 minute. That is the power of Python. Okay, I get it. You might have doubts like, oh, okay, so what are you going to be? You are just another Python tutor who just teaches up to basic Python and skips. That's it. Nope. Listen to me carefully. Once we finish this Python basic playlist, I'm going to be dropping an intermediate Python course where I would be building so cool projects that you never heard of. We would be doing live food with me sessions. Let's just build projects from scratch. Let's just not copy code. Let's just not, get your pre-built projects and code it right in the live session. Let's build things from scratch. Let's dive in there. Let's just, fix all of those bugs which you will get and which no tutor on YouTube will tell you. Guys, after every video, I would be dropping practical tasks and assignments in our Discord and Telegram groups. So make sure you join them. The links would be in the description right there. Okay, I'm saying this for the second time, but please make sure you subscribe and like and just share this playlist to anyone who's starting with Python and wants to learn it. Okay, so before we're gonna dive into the subject, a simple request from my side. Don't see Python as a subject, okay? Let's just treat it like a tool that is used to build stuff, create new things. That mindset changed everything for me. I believe it will change things for you too. So let's keep our lives chill with Python. With that being said, let's just start off with the first video in our playlist.